a Fruitvale vertical lift bridge was used by the Union Pacific Railroad, crosses the inner harbor. Is located in Oakland, California. Now this bridge is abandoned, left in a raised position, and this is a Totwood Drive vertical lift bridge. Now look at the balance chains. See, all like some vertical lift bridges have balance chains. You see, and then this bridge is left abandoned in a raised position. And now, ships and boats can only go through this bridge now. So this bridge was built in 1951, and now it's abandoned since. So, and this Baltimore through Trust lift span, and it looks good. And as far as my sketches, polished sketch vertical lift bridge located in Oakland, California, across the inner harbor. So